Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Highguard and you keep getting this problem, machine integrity failed, secure boot disabled, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Highguard easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here MSN432. And here you'll see that your secure boot state will be saying off here. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on right now. So the way you can do that is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to click onto this, and then you're going to click on to restart while holding the left shift key on your keyboard. So just restart your computer while holding the left shift key. And once you do that, you're going to be here, you're going to go into troubleshoot, and then you're going to go into advanced options. Then you're going to go into UEFI firmware settings. After that, you're going to click restart on here. And then you're going to go into boot here. And once you go into boot, you're going to make sure you disable CSM support. So just disable CSM support and restart your computer then by pressing F10 on your keyboard, or just going into save and exit and restarting your computer. Then you're going to come back into BIOS with the same method that I showed you. And now you're going to go into boot again. And then you're going to go into secure boot here. And once you go into secure boot, you're going to see this secure boot is disabled. You're going to make sure you enable secure boot. And once you enable secure boot, then you're going to come down into secure boot mode. You're going to make sure you set it to custom. After that, you're going to come down into restore factory keys. And then you're going to click on to restore factory keys. And once you do that, you're going to press F10 on your keyboard to save and exit the BIOS menu. And once you do that, your computer is going to restart. And then you're going to come back here. You're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here run. And then you're going to write MSN432. And you'll see that your secure boot state will be saying on now. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix that annoying problem on Highguard. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.